Hello everyone and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In this video, I'll show you how to enable all the new hidden features in Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2, even if they haven't officially rolled out to your device yet. Let's go through it step by step. First, make sure your Windows is up to date. You'll need to be running build 26200.6725, 26100.6725, or anything newer. That means you must have installed either the October 2025 security update or the September 2025 non-security update. The great thing is that these features can be unlocked not just in Windows 11 version 25H2, but in 24H2 as well. Now let's download ViveTool. Open your browser and go to vivetools.com. Once the page loads, click on the download link. You'll notice two versions, one for ARM64 and another for Intel and AMD systems. Choose the one that matches your system, download it, and extract the files to any convenient location on your computer. Once that's done, copy the folder path. We'll use it in the next step. Next, open the command prompt as administrator. You can do this by searching Command from the Start menu, then right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, we need to navigate to the folder containing the ViveTool files. To do that, type CD, then right-click to paste the path you copied earlier. Press Enter. Now, type or paste the command shown on your screen and press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. All right, see you after the restart. We're back, and now, let's check what's new. Open your Start menu, and you'll notice some fresh design elements and upgraded features. You can even toggle between panels and access new personalization and productivity options. One of the highlights is the improved mobile integration panel, but you'll need to link your phone first to see it in action. And that's it! You've now successfully unlocked all the latest hidden features in Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2 with just one quick command. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy and practical Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.